right. Watch now as Major Baker repositions his aircraft and demonstrates the low altitude, high speed capability of the F-16. As he passes Show Center, he'll be traveling just under the speed of sound at 650 miles per hour. That's less than half the Viper's top speed. Immediately into the vertical for 5/8 of a loop known as the half cubinate. Lieutenant Marino will now be performing a repositioning. Miles per hour, and will demonstrate the superb nose authority and the ability of the F-18. Pilots. However, at times there will be two hands on the control system. This is no spring chicken, but these pilots make it look all so easy. The hardest maneuvers they are going to do, it's like crack the whip. It is the barrel roll. The inside pilot has less throttle than the outside pilot. That makes it a challenge to transformation. But the team makes it look all so easy. MXS. -7G push around. Well, he learned to fly at the age of 16. Rejoined the Air National Guard flying the Hercules C-130 aircraft. John then transitioned to the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Now watch this bit of artistry. As the team leader brings them across, he will roll his aircraft upside down. They will follow him. When he's upside down, watch for the gears to be in motion. See that? The gear is coming out while they're upside down. No, they did not look inside at the gear handle. They knew where it was, and they positioned it in the correct place. The gear went up, did it not, because they were upside down. Aircraft companies building new and state-of-the-art corporate aircraft in the United States, but then returned to the family's core business, and that was lumbering business in Lincolnton, Georgia. That's what he has been running since leaving the aerospace industry. So a multi-talented guy. As he flips and flops on his way down. As they make their way down, at the most difficult time when they are upside down, turning and diving, look for the airplane on the far side. To change positions from finger 4 and slide back into that slot position right behind the leader. And he nailed it again at minimum time. That is... When you're flying on a leader in wingtip to wingtip or line abreast, it's more of a challenge because you're looking directly over your shoulder at the lead aircraft. And when we do that driving a vehicle, sometimes you have a tendency to steer in the area that you're looking. In an airplane, you have to avoid that at all costs. Setting up, going to airspeed 0, then bringing in all the left rudder they can muster, a little bit of right aileron. Aunts and uncles and cousins ratting on your parents to you. So this is a tribute to summertime fun. We call it the Ferris wheel salute. A ride on the Ferris wheel was mandatory for us. When you got your little first girlfriend up there, you had some privacy and you could hold it. In the afternoon and evening, you could see the lights of the other towns from way up there. You could watch the summer stars come down. Shooting stars from meteorites. And oh, what a ride we went on those nights. The cloud, there is the lightning in the cloud, and you can hear the thunder, but you can't see the team. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from out of the smoke and haze, again a big wave and a thank you to the award-winning Aeroshell aerobatic team. They are Mark Henley, they are Brian Reagan, they are Steve Gustafson, and they are Gene McNeely, the favorite sons of Stuart, the award-winning Aeroshell aerobatic team. Pulling up into this loop, you'll watch for them to do a quarter turn on the top and fly away from the crowd. That's when you and I start to concentrate on the airplanes and the smoke line. Watch this and get ready for the switchblade break. He is very active as a kayaker, very active as an ATV explorer in the mountains and wilderness areas of Nevada, very much an outside guy. He was a designer and a home builder and a mechanical engineer before getting into flying. The chief of police is here. He said, "You're UNIC on the other side of the runway." Any other fighter would be forced to go around and have the FA-18 on its 6 o'clock position. Fully controllable now.